Let's talk about fonts. This time I want to speak about versioning fonts. When you have a look into the fonts and the different tables, we have basically two entries. The one is in the head table, the font revision entry, and the other one is in the name table, the version string. And if you work with CFF fonts, so with a file name ending .otf, these are called CFF fonts, you have also an entry in the CFF table, which is the top dig data. So we have these entries to modify and try to sync these different entries when you change your version. And in many cases, I see fonts with 3 digits after the dot, so 10001 for the next version of a font. I don't do this. I do just 2 digits after the dot. And the reason is that, again, we want to support as many applications as possible. And Windows in the fonts folder only shows 2 digits after the number. So 1001 would just cut off after the 2 zeros, and then a customer could not help you with the versioning, or it's not clear which one actually it is. So what I do is always like 101 for the next version, 102 for the second version, and so on. And if I have a massive change which is pretty much not backwards compatible, then I increase it with a full number like 2.00, 2.01, then is the next change, the next update. The name table entry is a version string, so it's actually a string, not a number. The font revision is a number, and the CFF entry is also a string. You can change these entries with Python and font tools, or you can change it with my app, FontDev app, or if you work with Glyphs or other font editing editors like Fontra or RoboFont, you can change this in your source files as well, which is always a good idea. But sometimes when you work with custom projects, you have just a renaming, for example, and then you want to change the font version as well. What I also do with beta fonts is that I do a version number below 1. So, for example, 0.9, to make clear that this is a beta font and it's not production ready and ready to ship to other people as well. So it's just for testing. So that's it for versioning with fonts. Have fun, take care, bye-bye.